Alright guys, we're up here on the roof on this thing. Yeah, we just got done doing trusses the other day. Got a nice day, like 60, sunny, not a lot of wind for February. We're going to take it. We're going to get some standing seam on. So we don't do a lot of this, so we're going to kind of feel our way through it a little bit. We all kind of know how to do it, but something we did is we ripped down our first piece instead of starting with a full one, because we were going to end up with like a 4-incher to center it. And that was like something the crew guys came up with, so props to you guys for doing that.
Gracias.
But anyway, so yeah, we're gonna, that way it looks the same at each end. So we're gonna see how that turns out. Hopefully the metal runs right and keeps us there. But so we're gonna jump into it and start setting her. Yeah, we're gonna have to be a little bit, have our hands on them, especially this one. We should be able to just line it up with the gable, I think.
Yeah, realistically. Oh, hold up, somebody got crazy with stable.
We just screwed down that Z-trim. Yeah. We're gonna slide this corner over that, put some butyl tape and all that. Yeah, let's get the rivet gun. Get my dust off my shoes. All right. Good?
Yeah, I'm gonna lock her in here until the wind can't rip her out.
Good? All right, we got one side of roof on. We're gonna trim this corner probably a little bit yet. Not exactly sure how to make that look good, but we'll probably trim it back a little. We bent it over, just like that. Got it all done. One down, another side to go. Got to put that rake on real quick. He's cutting it, then we'll do the ridge and be done today. Hey guys, we got roof on, got our gable trim on. We're just doing our ridge cap, and anyway, we're putting on this snap Z, show you guys kind of how that looks. So we're gonna get our snap Z down and then slide our standing seam ridge cap over it, and then we're done on this roof. So this stuff's pretty cool. You see right here, we got some of these down already. But on the back side, there's this beetle tape. You just take that loose, and then that is cemented. And you kind of pull these out a little bit on both sides. That way it goes over your rib. Put it right there on that line, which lines them up. Squeeze them in between here, and you screw them off on the back. And then just set them all along here, and you slide your ridge cap over them. Pretty simple. So that's what I mean right there. We pull them out. That'll cover that little gap. That way that'll be sealed. And that's about it.
Yep. That's what I did. Actually, yeah.
So yeah, you can get it quick.
Yeah, I'll get it really quick. Yeah, it's $175. 2 weeks to your house. And then from there, it's all easy.
Well guys, we just got done with the roof up here. Pretty cool. Cool roof. We don't do a lot of these, like I said, but we got to work with some standing seam today, and it looks really cool. I'll turn it around, show you guys how it looks from up top. Still got to do our soffit and stuff, but we got everything up here done so we can get off here and be off here. So here on the ridge cap, I just got her lacked over there with some rivets. All that is done. Got people sliding off the roof. And that's about it. Looks nice and cool.